is she? Tell me, who is she? Who is she?
Damn, my diamonds cold. Damn, my golden clothes. Walking in, it's a show. Walking in, it's a show. Flashlight, ooh, flashlight, ooh, flashlight, ooh, yeah.
What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Ashanterene and Chloe, my daughter. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing a new curly hair routine that I did in my previous video. So just like for her hair, I usually just put grease in it and then I usually just braid it up. So I wanted to actually do something with her hair. So we just took it out braids. So I want to kind of just style it and just see how these same products will do in her hair. So she has kinkier curls than me. She's little in the 4C side. A little in the 4C side as well as the 3C side. So I'll be showing you her curl texture as well as showing you guys everything that I put in it as well. So this is her hair now. This is her hair now. And I just kind of washed it and put it inside a bun, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing I did in my last video and section it all off and put the same products in there just to see how it looks on her hair. And I am going to fast forward it. I have the video of everything that I used step by step in my last video, so make sure to go ahead and check that out. But we're gonna see how these same products work on my daughter's hair. And like always, I'm gonna be using my denim brush. So just like her hair, I want to keep putting as much as this in here to try and put as much moisture back in her hair as possible. Alright, so this is her hair after just using one product. Just like my hair, we have like a lot of dry spots. So in those spots are the spots that I'm gonna go ahead and put some Blue Magic in there. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the Diva Curl hair gel in here. Alright, so I don't know about your guys' daughters, but mine hates wearing her hair down, especially if it's in her face. So I'm gonna style it in, I think I might do like 2 space buns and then just leave the backside out. But this is how her hair is looking right now. With all the products in it, it is very, very wet, like with all the stuff in it. So I am gonna style it and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when it is 75% dry and then when it is 100% dry. Put the same hair polisher oil that I put in my hair in hers and just shake it. And her hair is already getting big. I wish I had the volume she has. Alright you guys, so her hair is fully styled. This is how it looks from the back. So I'm gonna let her hair dry a little bit more and then I'm gonna show you how her curls look after it is dry. So we will be right back. Who is she? Tell me, who is she? Who is she? Alright you guys, so this is going to be the finished product of Chloe's hair. I definitely like how the products and everything did in her hair. So if you guys like today's video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!
I don't wanna be your side. Whether be your main thing, let's jump in a pool, let's ride.